That is one aspect. The second aspect is digital skills are moving ahead. They are moving forward. People are learning more and more skills, more and more courses. Now, to talk about that, we have with us on the line Mr. Shakeel Ahmad Meer, e-commerce expert. Mr. Shakeel Ahmad Meer, first of all, it's a pleasure having you. Now, second of all, since there is unemployment, people want to learn digital skills. Do you think the government or the private institutions, are they offering any courses for the youngsters, or even not, if they're not youngsters, even people like me for that matter, if they want to learn new courses, are they offering any?
First of all, Isha, thank you very much for having me on your show. Yeah, there are opportunities. I mean, why? I don't know why youth would go and do some expensive courses. The biggest knowledge power right now is in your pocket or in your hand, which is your smartphone. If you go online, that's what I'm saying. The social media, YouTube, Facebook, all these platforms, if you use them rightly for your career, they are huge opportunity. Normally, so there are two types of people, the consumers. The problem is we, like 99% of our Pakistanis at the moment, are consumers. They consume content. So TikTok pay, for example, they are scrolling and watching funny videos and, politics and cricket and all these things. So that's one element. The other side is like you need to present yourself professionally and you can connect. You can connect even your simple profile. You can go and create your profile and then you can represent yourself. But training, YouTube, for example, let's say, sometimes for our youth, English could be a problem, that their literacy rate or understanding is not that high. So what they can do, simply you type in e-commerce course in Urdu on YouTube right now. There will be more than 1,000 free courses. YouTube is free. So if you go there, just pick the one where you like the person, you understand that they're explaining really well and you're completely understanding the whole course, then start doing that. But then you would have to show some discipline, like every day, watch a video, whatever the instructions, whatever you learn, put into practice. So in today's world, you don't have to spend money anywhere. My platform, again, it's like I have a huge network, like more than 50 countries I'm doing my business in. But all the high caliber Pakistanis and organizations, I worked with them and created a platform which is completely free. So that doesn't only teach e-commerce, there are more than 50 different free courses where people can go and learn. And I'm not alone. There's so many other platforms. So the idea is everything is available for free. You just need to, make sure that you have the motivation and you want to do something in your life. Then whether it's YouTube, whether it's my platform, these platforms are available free of cost.
All right, Shakeel, thank you for so passionately guiding the audiences to the right direction. And since you are such an inspirational figure, what I want you to do is motivate and inspire all the people watching right now. So please, do you have any success stories to share with us regarding how higher education cannot just be achieved with traditional education, but with learning and equipping yourself with digital skills?
For example, the biggest example is me. Now, there was a time, like when I started off, I had nothing. And first few attempts, like every youth and every time when you become an entrepreneur, we were talking earlier, like people probably, the whole system right now is built, world system, I mean, to go towards a job, complete your education, do masters or bachelors, and then look for a job. I was in that kind of rat race. I call it rat race because you have to do job 40 years, and when you're really old, you would get some money, but then your body is gone. Now you can't enjoy it. So what I do, I say is, okay, there'll be probably harder couple of years you spend in putting real hard work in, but then the outcome, for example, I started from zero. And within few years' time, now look at me, there's celebrities worldwide, it's Hollywood, Bollywood, they work with me, and there are like businesses and organizations in 11 countries and 50 cities, and more than $1 billion worth of my organization. So that's success story. Why I'm motivated, there's a story like when I was based in London, doing businesses, I was working with all other nationalities, especially British, and whenever there was a discussion about Pakistan, somehow there was some people will mention something negative, and I used to be really angry. I said, we're the people, like, one of the most talented in the world, and 10 years ago I decided I have to do something for my country. So what have I learned? I'm gonna go and teach everyone in Pakistan that you can do anything in the world. And then this is my example, and now there are more than 300,000 students who have learned, and then there are amazing stories. A person starting from zero, and now they are multimillionaires in dollars. So that you look for examples, you look for role models. They are everywhere. The question is, are you prepared to take it seriously and put the hard work in? And once you put the hard work in, and it's not like it's too difficult, it's just focusing and telling yourself that you are talented nation. You just have to learn a couple of things and then put the hard work in. And so I always tell people 6 months, not a long time. See, you spend 16 years in your degree, in your education. So what's 6 months? So 6 months, decide I want to do e-commerce or AI or digital marketing, and whatever skill suits your personality, learn that within a month or two, free of charge. Then put together a plan that how I'm going to use this to make money. Then next 4 months, hard work, 90% of your time. If you put into it, I'm challenging youth of Pakistan that I will give you money if you're not earning $1,000 per month. $1,000. This is my challenge. So if youth understands this, they put their mind, and you're the most talented. I keep saying everywhere I go, I say Pakistani youth is the most talented. They just need to change their focus on career and business, and they can do amazing things. We don't need external people to come and help us. Our youth will be helping Pakistan become one of the greatest nation in the world, inshallah.
It sounds very utopic when you talk like that, and sounds very easy also when you talk like that. But if we talk about it pragmatically and practically, what are the basic and some main challenges that people face when it comes to e-commerce, when it comes to online businesses?
Don't listen to people. First advice, don't listen. So we have a culture, we have extended families. So the biggest problem is the whole system of the world forces you to go towards the job. So that was like 20 years ago, people used to tell you, if you do master's degree, we used to say in Urdu, padhoge likhoge to banoge nawab. We're not becoming nawab anymore. So the thing is, like, you have to upgrade yourself in the modern world, and do not listen to people. If you want to listen to people, listen to successful people who struggled and now they're successful. Don't get your advice from people who actually failed, because they can teach you how to fail. They cannot teach you how to become successful. So follow someone who has inspiring story which you like, and then whatever they have done in their life, whatever advice they are giving you, first of all, listen to that. And then extended family, your parents initially might not understand you. Your extended family might not understand, and people might criticize you. For example, girls, for example, they're very clever, they're very intelligent in Pakistan, and someone wants to go and start a brand. There might not be enough support available initially, and there might be a criticism. But you can do covering yourself. You don't have to show your face. You can do things. You can make videos without showing yourself, or you can get other people, other girls, and you can start an online brand. So my biggest advice would be that there are two pieces. First of all, the people who have already done it successful, listen to them, follow them 100%. Number two, do not listen to the people who criticize you. Always listen to people who motivate you, who tell you that you can do anything in the world. That would be the piece of advice I would give to our youth.
All right. Thank you so much, Shakeel, for being here today and speaking so passionately yet so candidly regarding this subject. I mean, you have definitely motivated a lot of people. I mean, I motivated
me.
For him, I think we should start our own online businesses. We should equip ourselves with the right digital skills, because you never know what is going to happen.